Welcome back. Here is how to get an instant collateral free loan on Carbon in a very few quick steps. Once you have opened the app and you have completed your profile setup, provide your bank verification number or your national identity number, your personal details and bank account information to bring your account to KYC level 2. So then on your home page, you navigate to loans. If you are eligible for a loan, it will be stated on your dashboard. So once you are eligible, tap apply for loan. You fill out the loan application, that's your employment details, basic income information, and you select the amount you want to borrow along with your preferred repayment duration. No payer document or collateral are required, so you have to review your loan offer. The thing is, Carbon will process your data within minutes and display your personalized loan amount, your interest rate, and the repayment breakdown. So after that, accept and receive your funds. You have to review the terms, accept the loan offer, and the cash will be instantly credited to your Carbon wallet or your linked bank account. That is all it takes. Make sure to repay on time to unlock higher amounts in the future.